Which electric kitchen composter is actually worth buying? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. With all these machines promising odorless composting and fast results, it's hard to tell which ones deliver. Today, we're breaking down the real differences. Product number 1, TOPZE 3L Composter. Let's start with the TOPZE Electric Compost Bin, a compact white countertop unit priced around $193. What caught my eye was its promise of turning food waste into fertilizer in just 4 hours, and it's already been bought by over 200 people this month. If you want a quiet, space-saving composter that actually reduces waste by up to 90%, this is worth a serious look. The smart system uses temperature and humidity control with a stainless steel blade to crush and dry waste evenly, and it only uses 0.51 kWh per cycle, less than some coffee makers. It runs under 40 decibels, so you can run it overnight without noticing. The 3L capacity fits a family of 3's daily scraps, and the non-stick bucket with auto-clean makes maintenance nearly effortless. Now some people might be turned off by the lack of reviews. It has 0 ratings right now, which makes it hard to judge long-term reliability. Here's the thing though, new products often launch without feedback, and with 200+ recent sales, it's clearly gaining traction. Just keep in mind you're buying early. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or small kitchen and want a quiet, efficient composter that doesn't take up much space. Skip this one if you need to compost large amounts at once or prefer buying from established brands with proven track records. For under $200, it's a solid entry-level option. Product number 2, MERIOR3L Smart Composter. Now, if the TOPZE's lack of reviews gave you pause, the MERIOR3L Electric Composter offers similar performance with a slightly more premium feel, though it costs about $252. It's made of aluminum, has a sleek square design, and also processes waste in 4-6 hours. It's a bit taller and heavier at 22 pounds, but still compact enough for most countertops. The noise level maxes out at 42 dB, still whisper quiet, and the quick and standard modes give you flexibility depending on how fast you need results. One thing to note, the larger dimensions mean it might not fit under low cabinets, which frustrated a few users. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, it's a well-built machine that handles daily waste without a hitch. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, odor-free composter and don't mind spending a bit more for a sturdier build. Skip this one if you have limited vertical space or want the absolute lowest price. It's a great middle ground option with strong functionality. Product number 3, Food Cycler Eco 5. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious composters, the Food Cycler Eco 5. At $772, it's the most expensive here, but it's also the only one with a 5L capacity and an award-winning design. This thing can handle bones, pits, and large food scraps thanks to its patented Vortec grinding system, and it reduces waste by nearly 90% in just a few hours. The removable bucket is super convenient, and the one-touch operation makes it feel like a high-end kitchen appliance. It's also odorless and quiet thanks to a refillable carbon filter and sealed design. Now the big downside, the price. Over $770 is a serious investment, and some users say it's overkill unless you're composting for a garden or large household. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about sustainability and want the best performance, the capacity and power justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you have a garden, generate a lot of food waste, or want a long-term heavy-duty solution. Skip this one if you're on a budget or only need to compost small amounts. It's not for everyone, but for the right person, it's unbeatable. Product number 4, FOHERE4L Composter. Now, if the Food Cycler's price shocked you, the FOHERE4L Electric Composter offers a lot of the same benefits for under $245. It has a larger 4L capacity than most, a stainless steel body for durability, and a transparent viewing window so you can actually watch the composting process, something unique at this price. It reduces waste by over 90% in 6 hours and runs quietly so you can start it before bed. One common complaint, The carbon filter needs replacing every 3 months and it's not included in the box, so that's an extra cost. Here's the thing though, most composters need filter replacements, and FOHERE at least makes it easy to monitor and maintain. This is perfect for you if you want a larger capacity, love seeing how things work, and prefer a sturdy metal build. Skip this one if you hate ongoing maintenance or want the absolute cheapest option. For under $250, it's one of the best value picks here. Product number 5, FRYLINE4L Composter. Finally, the FRYLINE4L Electric Composter, another $245 option, but with a completely different cylindrical design and some smart upgrades. It processes waste in just 3 hours, one of the fastest here, and uses high-temperature drying and grinding to reduce volume by up to 90%. It also alerts you when the carbon filter hits its 1,000-hour limit, so you never forget a replacement. The noise stays below 40 dBA, so it's great for nighttime use. One downside, at 15 inches tall and 16 inches long, it takes up more counter space than others, which could be an issue in small kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you have the room, the speed and smart features make it a standout. This is perfect for you if you want fast results, easy cleaning, and a composter that feels high-tech. Skip this one if counter space is tight or you prefer a more compact shape. It's a strong contender in the mid-range category. So which one should you get? The TOPZE is great for tight budgets and small spaces. The MERIOR adds style and solid performance. The Food Cycler is the powerhouse for serious composters. The FOHERE offers the best view and build quality. And the FRYLINE wins on speed and smart alerts. Each has trade-offs, but all deliver on odor-free fast composting. Pick the one that fits your kitchen and your lifestyle.